So, it's the new year, and you're thinking about New Year resolutions. What are some things that you want to accomplish this year? Or maybe it's the woman season. Spring is right around the corner, or the summer. So, there are some things that you want to do, and one of them is start a new business. So, I'm going to show you just how simple, how easy it is to set up a new business, okay? A new entity online, and exactly where to go and how to do it. Before we jump into it and I drop some great nuggets, go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe, share it out to other people so they can know exactly what they need to do to get the job done. So let's get into it. I'm going to go to the State Cooperation Commission website, SEC website, the State Cooperation Commission website, where we're going to have to create a business with article of organization. We live in Virginia, so we have to go to the State Cooperation Commission website or the SCC website. I need to click on create a new business, which is this link right here. All right, then it's open up here, and then that's where we are going to click on the file online button right here. We have to create an account first. So once we create an account, and then we can go and put in the name of the business and everything and do the search, see if somebody else had that name, if they would accept it. Create an account, we have to click on register, that register link right there. So once you create your account, it's going to bring you here to your dashboard, and then after that you need to go and put in a business name and see if it is approved. So I created an account. I clicked here on online services, and you see this menu tab appear here on the side over here, and I'm going to click on new business. I'm going to have to decide what type of business you want to have. I'm going to select the article of organization. It comes over here. See, it's saying for the article organization, let me know that there's going to be a $100 fee. Over here, then we just go through and read the information, and down the bottom it is going to allow type in the name of my entity or the name of the business. Check the availability of it, see if it would be approved. If the business name is not approved, then another name will have to be selected. Okay, so it said designation is required. So once we clicked on the designation is required, we can come over here. It wants to check the name availability of the business. And so we can click on that and see. So once we put the name in, you see, it says that the name is distinguishable for their records. And then we can go ahead and log in to create the new entity name. There is a fee of $100 for everyone in the state of Virginia. For your business type, you see in the drop down, you have these 4 selections. For us, we're going to click on general. Once you put in your information for registered RA, registered agent or RA, put in the this is where you have to put in your address of your office. To add to the shopping cart, you see you're going to go here for payment. Thing has been accepted. For your payment, you see you have the options down the bottom. Print your receipt. We're going to go to the IRS website and have an EIN number and employer identification number created for. Once I clicked on create an account, you see right here it's asking what type of account. So what I need to do is sign up to create a business account. And then it's going to bring us over here where we can start putting in information. Created an account at IRS, so now we need to get an EIN number. So we're getting ready to start this process now. We go here to apply for the EIN. It's given the different types of businesses here. All right. Then we want to tell why we want to be a single member for the LLC. Requesting the EIN, and I select because we're you're starting a new business. You do for the company details, so it gets into the type of business activity and services being provided. I just created a business for my husband. His business is LBJ Property Solutions LLC. So if you already know my husband personally, or stay in the area where we are, feel free to contact him. He's going to be doing like basic repairs, like replacing or repairing faucets, commodes, also painting on the inside, the interior. Also, he can paint on the outside for the exterior. Pressure washing houses as well as pavement. Things in the yard, cutting your grass, trim bushes, cutting small tree branches and small trees. Cars, he can wash your cars, do detailing on the inside, cleaning your cars, things like that, waxing cars. So yes, those are some things that my husband is interested in doing for his business. I haven't given out my business name because I'm flipping properties, so my business, my realtor, she posts my properties online once I finish flipping them. So she helps me sell them. So that's why I have not given you all my business name. However, I do plan on starting consultation or either a course where I can help people with teaching license. So if you live in Virginia and if you want to live in Virginia, you want to become a teacher, or you need to renew your teaching license, no problem. We can do consultation, or I can, actually help you go through step by step, tell you what you need to do, where you need to go. Let me see. If you have questions about or you need help with setting up a financial plan, like you want to get out of debt, I can help you get out of debt. We can come up with a plan with that for you to follow through those guidelines to start a business. I can set that up online for you, as well as some other things. So these are some things to consider, some things that you may want to do. All right, so thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, subscribe. Okay? Hit that like button, that thumbs up, so the algorithm can go ahead and push it out to other people and share it, because I'm going to drop some great news, some great nuggets, that people need to know. If not now, then possibly in the future. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. See you on the next video.